You know, I can explain, baby.
Explain, Tabo.
I just need time.
I've got all the time.
Man, go on, Dlala.
I said I've got all the time on earth. Explain now.
No, listen. I can explain.
Explain, Tabo.
I was wrong. She said she was wrong. Guys, we've been friends for a very long time. Susan, calm down, Zoan. Mina, as your friend. Mina, I just want you to know, Guti, I'm here. I'm your friend, and I'll support you. And I'm doing him jelly about this issue, Mina.
Dlala, please.
Only on one condition.
Which is?
Work with me. Spoke with Mr. Bell.
Mr. Bell,
Tabo. It's just to save the 1,000 people.
1,000 people, which is so.
Tabo, come on, be a man.
Man, yeah.